One of the coolest things about ChatGPT is how it's making programming knowledge accessible to everyone. Think of it like having an encyclopedia of coding knowledge at your fingertips. ChatGPT can break down complex concepts, give you clear explanations, and even provide code snippets and step-by-step guides. A recent Stack Overflow survey found that 83% of developers use ChatGPT daily for coding help. Imagine you're stuck on a tricky algorithm or need to implement a new feature. Instead of spending hours searching through forums or documentation, you can ask ChatGPT for help. This accessibility is democratizing programming, making it easier for anyone, regardless of their background, to learn, experiment, and build amazing things. ChatGPT is leveling the playing field and empowering a new generation of developers. But how exactly does ChatGPT manage to provide such valuable assistance? Let's dive into the mechanics behind this revolutionary tool in the next chapter. ChatGPT isn't just about making coding easier to learn, it's also about making the code itself better. We're talking cleaner, more efficient, and less prone to those pesky bugs that keep you up at night. Think of ChatGPT as your coding co-pilot, constantly suggesting best practices, offering helpful code reviews, and even generating optimized code snippets. Stack Overflow's survey revealed that 80% of developers are already using AI-based coding assistance tools to up their game. That tells you everything you need to know about the impact this technology is having. ChatGPT is becoming an indispensable tool for developers who are serious about writing high-quality code. But how exactly does ChatGPT integrate into the daily workflow of a developer? Let's dive into that next. Let's face it, communication is key in any field, but it's especially crucial in the world of programming. Good news, ChatGPT excels in this area too. It can help you generate clear and concise documentation, craft useful code comments that actually make sense, and even translate technical terms into plain English. Imagine being able to onboard new team members faster, or get everyone on the same page quickly with AI-powered documentation. This streamlines workflows, reduces misunderstandings, and boosts overall team productivity. ChatGPT can also help bridge the gap between developers and non-technical stakeholders. It's like having a real-time translator for all things tech, making sure everyone understands the project's progress and challenges. Now that we've seen how ChatGPT enhances collaboration and communication, let's explore how it can assist in debugging and troubleshooting in the next chapter. Let's be real, no one enjoys spending hours on tedious and repetitive coding tasks. The beauty of ChatGPT is it can automate a lot of that grunt work, freeing you up to focus on the more complex and creative aspects of programming that actually get you excited. Think about setting up a new project. It often involves a bunch of boilerplate code and configurations that can eat up a ton of time. ChatGPT can generate those scripts for you in seconds, customized to your exact specifications. By taking care of the mundane, ChatGPT allows developers to focus on the big picture solving problems, innovating and building the next wave of incredible software. And speaking of innovation, let's dive into how ChatGPT is enhancing advanced coding techniques in our next chapter. One of the most remarkable things about ChatGPT is that it's not static. It's constantly learning and adapting, staying up to date with the latest programming languages, frameworks, and tools. ChatGPT allows for model fine-tuning, meaning you can train it on your own code base or specific coding style. This creates a personalized AI assistant that understands your preferences and provides even more tailored recommendations. Imagine having a digital version of yourself that can assist with coding, debugging, and even generate new ideas based on your unique skill set. The possibilities are truly mind-blowing, and this is just the beginning. In the next chapter, we'll explore how ChatGPT is being integrated into real-world applications, transforming industries and workflows. So there you have it. ChatGPT is fundamentally changing the way we approach programming, and this is really just the beginning. If you're ready to embrace the future of programming, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on the latest tech trends. And be sure to share this video with a friend who's passionate about coding. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.